Hello, and welcome to Kitchen Counter Yoga. Kitchen Counter Yoga makes the basic yoga poses very accessible to you, whether you are 8 years old or 80. You'll have the opportunity to increase your flexibility, increase your strength, find greater movement throughout your day-to-day life, greater ease. So let's get started with Warrior One, a dynamic standing pose. Stand facing your kitchen counter. Let your hands rest lightly on the counter. It's there as a basic support. We're going to start with your toes pointing forward and just roll up onto your toes and back down onto your heels. Breathe in, roll up onto your toes, and breathe out, back down onto your heels. Breathe in, onto your toes, breathe out, onto your heels, just warming up your legs, just getting them used to moving. So Warrior One, take your right leg and take a big step back. Now for you, a big step might be here, it might be here, it might be here. Find the step back that is appropriate for your body. You'll feel a little bit of a stretch in your back groin. Just enjoy that. Not too intense, just something you're going to notice. Lift your navel away from your hips. You'll extend that stretch even a little bit more. Now, deep breath in, facing your friend the counter. Extend your left hamstring towards the counter. You'll feel that stretch a little bit more and release. Inhale, exhale towards the counter. Inhale, release. Inhale, exhale towards the counter. Inhale, release. Do that as many times as you are comfortable. And then coming in towards the counter, extending that front hamstring. Find your balance in this pose. If you get just this far, you're working your legs, and it's great. If you have your balance in your legs, lift your arms straight forward. Extend those arms straight up while you're rolling your shoulder blades down your back. Reaching up, looking up. Shoulder blades are sliding down your back. Breathing the whole time. Deep breath in, come back up, and step forward to the kitchen counter. Shake out your legs, roll up a little bit through your feet, onto your heels, your feet, your heels, and notice the difference between your right leg and your left leg. Which leg feels more open? Become aware of how your body is responding to these movements. Stepping back to the kitchen counter, we'll try the other side. Lift your lower abdomen. Step your left foot back. Your big step back. Not too big, not too small, just right for your body. Reaching through your front hamstring. And inhale back up. Exhale forward. Inhale back up. Exhale forward. Inhale back up. Find your balance with your front knee bent, hamstring extending. If your balance is there for you, take it a step further. Arms come forward. Arms come up and shoulder blades slide down your back. Reaching up, looking up, relishing the stretch throughout your entire body. Inhale, Come back to the kitchen counter. Shake out your legs. Find the sensation in both legs at this point. Feel how they have worked. Feel how the groins have opened. Feel the strength beginning to happen in your quadriceps. Warrior One. Next time we'll take this further into Warrior Two and eventually into balance poses. You will soon be on your way. I'll see you next time. Namaste.